A very warm morning to esteemed judges and all the worthy participants. The world is full of diamonds, and we have some of them here today. To build this event, Scientific Nerds of Mosaic 2020. I, Vrinda Chabra, along with my co host Binay Singh, welcome you all on behalf of Delhi Public Schools, Saharanpur.
We express our heartiest gratitude to our honorable judges, Dr. Shashank Sharma from Galgotias University and Dr. Manoj Kumar Dhiman from Delhi Public Schools, Saharanpur.
Shashank sir is the assistant professor of the Department of Chemistry. He is an active member of Navyuk Foundation that socially works for the environment. He has a teaching experience of 10 years. He is truly a great personality. And our in-house judge Manoj sir is the head of Department of Physics. He is a dignitary to honor us with his presence. We welcome you, sir.
Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and productions about the universe.
I would say science is a subject of high cognitive demand.
Our next part, we had two topics as a choice for our event. First was innovative ways to produce electricity, and second was a working model based on man-made disasters.
The event has already taken place on 10th of December, and today we have with us 5 participants who have been shortlisted. We congratulate you for the progress that you have made.
Now we begin with the question and answer round with our first participant, Shri Piri Raghunath from Saraswati Vihar, Saharan.
I would request the judges to begin with the question answer round. I would request everyone to please switch on their videos.
Good morning, sir. This is Shiripati Nija from Saraswati Vihar Senior Secondary School. Sir,
मैं कौन से स्कूल को बुलाऊं पहले नंबर पे कहाँ है मुझे आधे काम कर रखे तूने भी हेलो हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग बेटे
sir, this is Shiripati Nija.
हाँ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट योर प्रोजेक्ट
So actually, this is a steam engine model which is based on the how a steam engine works. Actually, sir, here I have introduced my steam engine in which I will show you that how electricity is generated from the steam, which is thermal power.
Okay. So this method have been used earlier times in the earlier times or not?
Yes, sir. In the locomotives also it is used.
So can we produce this electricity at the commercial level or not?
At commercial
This
level,
type
yes,
of-
it can be introduced.
It can be introduced. So according to you, what may be the cost of this total your setup?
So according to me, so I'm not having the higher cost because I have used this material because I am having this waste material and I have made through waste material as a efficient good project.
So you are making AC or DC by this type of
So
project,
DC,
alternating
so direct
DC.
current, DC.
But the we cannot operate the DC at the commercial level. I think so. AC can be used, na?
So we can operate. So yes, sir, you are right that we have to operate AC at the commercial level. But sir, to show that AC model, we can use this DC model for that show. Look, we can use this model to show that how that model works.
Okay. So according to your opinion, which one is better, AC or DC?
Sir, AC is more better than DC because sir, in AC, a higher current can be generated by which we can we can operate many electrical bulbs, lights, fans, etc. Appliances, sir.
Okay, okay. So what is this disc type of material in your setup? Disc type of material that is connected with your source. ये ना
This,
गोल गोल लगा रखा, हाँ ये डिस्क डिस्क,
this CD. So it is
हाँ
a
सीडी
CD.
सीडी, हाँ
Sir, actually, I have used this because this setup is connected to the CD as it will rotate and rotational mechanical energy converted to electrical energy.
मैकेनिकल. ओके ओके. ये जो आपकी डिस्क है या ये सीडी है, ये रोटेट करेगी इस स्टील से?
Yes, sir. Because the pressure is generated from syringe and sir ये जो इसके बीच का mechanism है कि सर इसको pressure देगा, pull करेगा and that's why it start to rotate.
Can you show the a little bit demonstration of it
Yes, sir.
so that it can
So for
rotate?
this, I would burn this burner. It is present here.
Okay.
So it may take some time, like 5 minutes, to burn this boil this water 400 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Who gave you the idea to work on this?
To work on this, sir, my in charge, Mr. Shilpi Chavla, science in charge, given this idea to operate this system. As sir, it is the efficient way that we can generate electricity, sir.
Sure, sure, definitely. So in this type of experiment, कोई आपका एनर्जी का लॉस होगा किसी भी टाइप का?
एनर्जी का लॉस सर हो तो रहा है, बट सर हम गेन भी तो कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, in which form? In which form the loss of energy will occur?
Sir, in the heat form, sir, heat के लॉस हो रहे हैं सर इसमें.
Heat can be lost.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ से heat lost हो रही है?
Sir, from this, sir, because sir, when the heat is generated, sir, means heat is going away, and because of which the rotational mechanical energy generated, so heat energy is vanished.
So this disk or your CD has the rotational kinetic energy or the linear kinetic energy?
Rotational kinetic energy. So rotational mechanical energy.
हाँ, तो how you will find it? How you will calculate this type of rotational kinetic energy?
So I can use the term RPM for it.
Then?
Sir, revolution per minute.
Then after that?
Sir, how to calculate that?
Yeah, definitely.
Sir,
ये
I
तो सवाल
sir,
है.
like, so you
Your
are
disk
saying
is,
this.
your CD is rotating. ये घूम रही है गोल गोल घूम के, ठीक है? The CD is the form of disk, so it has the kinetic energy. तो अगर कोई आपसे पूछता है कि how you will find the kinetic energy of this rotating disk, then what will be the answer?
So that is like the formula 1/2 into m into v.
No, beta, v is the linear velocity.
So
V
linear.
is the v is the linear velocity. ठीक है ना? अगर कोई object, suppose that any object is moving in a straight line, then you will consider itself as a linear kinetic energy, means k equal to half mv square. But if something is rotating about any axis which passes through its center of mass, then the formula of kinetic energy will be different. Okay, good. हाँ, तो प्लीज आगे बताएं थोड़ा सा कैसे कर रहा है काम ये तो हो गया, ठीक है, बर्न हो गया. उसके बाद ये अटक गया शायद बीच में कहीं. डॉक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर शशांक, नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. नहीं, system is not responding. वो तो नहीं है, बच्चा नहीं है ना. चलिए नेक्स्ट को स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट.
Sir, may we move on to the next participant?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली बेटा.
Moving on, our second participant is Shreyansh Rana from Delhi Public School, Sushant Lok. I now request the judges to ask questions.
Okay.
Morning everyone, I am Shreyansh Rana from DBS Sushant Lok.
Good morning, Uday.
Good morning,
Dr.
sir.
Shashank. Dr. Shashank.
हेलो.
Hello, Dr. Sab. Please proceed.
Doc Sab, actually the signal is very poor here. That's why we are
That
facing
will be due to,
problem.
rainy
Yes,
season.
yes.
Na? Signal will be distorted.
Yeah, right now your voice is also breaking.
Okay. So whenever signal will come, you can ask. Okay, Dr. Sab.
Hello.
हाँ बेटे श्रेयांश राणा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So my first question is that who gave you the idea to work on this project? Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटे, who gave you the idea to work on this?
So my teacher helped me to get this idea, and I have been reading some articles regarding the sinkhole, so I thought I should take this topic.
Okay. Just a minute. How much time you took to complete this?
Sir, I took around 2 to 3 days to complete this project.
Please demonstrate it in brief.
Yes. Sir, so I have this pipe, which I will be assuming this as the drainage pipe, which is present in almost all urban areas. And when I pass water through this, first of all, let me tell you, the pipe is broken in between, and as you can see, the water is passing through this pipe, and there's a hole which is resulting in the seepage of water, which will then lead to a cavity inside the bedrock, which will then result in the formation of a sinkhole.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I show you?
बताइए आ रहा क्यों?
Yes. You can see that there's a sinkhole. It is forming slowly. Yes, sir. You can see that there's a sinkhole.
Okay.
And you can also see that the pipe inside is broken. And sometimes some lakes are formed inside this sinkhole.
Good.
Yes, sir.
What is the science behind it?
Yes, sir. So, first of all, the major reason for this is that the climate change, which is a result of human activities. And so, let me tell you, when there is a water seepage inside the bedrock, and especially when the bedrock is made up of carbonate rocks, such as limestone or salts, then there's a cavity which is caused due to the reaction between the water and the carbonate rocks. And then when there is a cavity, the upper surface layer collapses and we get a sinkhole.
Good. This is a very unique project.
Yes, sir.
तो ये जो सारा बनाया ये आपने ही बनाया या किसी और से भी हेल्प लिया है?
Yes, sir. My brothers and sisters have helped me because it was quite difficult for me to do it alone.
Very good. Well done, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Next. कौन सा? हाँ बेटे डन.
This is Shri Guru just my connectivity was lost and done now.
हाँ हाँ. ओके ओके बेटे. हाँ बताइए आपका ये रह गया था बस आपको
Pransh,
इसको
it was
कैसे.
an amazing effort.
Following on to our third participant, Anika Maheshwari from Delhi Public School, Bhopal.
I would request the judges to see Anika's model and then ask the questions.
Sir, I'm Anika Maheshwari of Delhi Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटे. Anika, please tell me something about your project.
Sir, this is like, it is it is a model on natural disaster, and as we all know, Bhopal gas tragedy was a chronic disaster, which
Okay.
is which has terribly which has terribly made the future of Bhopal like very chronic.
ओके ओके. तो बेटे क्या बताना चाहते हो इस प्रोजेक्ट से, आप क्या बताना चाह रहे हो?
So this project shows that how everything from animals to humans, the life of everyone changed just in a night of December 3, 1984, which was the date of Bhopal gas tragedy. That night, and there were dead bodies of animals, plants were even dead. The human bodies were also there, and it was such a chronic it happened in night, and no one was even awake to get to know that which gas was it. First everyone thought that it was just a joke or something, like children are playing prank, but then they got to know that it was such a chronic thing, and like everyone like now also children are born children are born not in complete, those who inhale that gas they now also show diseases of it.
बेटे आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो थोड़ा सा मुझे थियोरेटिकली लग रहा है, कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंटल है उसके अंदर?
Sir, it's yes sir, like I tried to show that gas which is leaking. I guess it's visible through the camera.
हाँ आई थिंक कैमरे का भी शायद कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, ये विजिबल नहीं हो रही सारी चीजें ना. चलो बताओ, जल्दी बताओ मुझे जरा क्या क्या चीजें हैं.
Sorry sir, what? I couldn't hear you.
I'm saying please tell me first whatever you want to say about your project.
So my project shows that how all the
Good.
were contaminated, and like now also the people who live there aren't given proper water, which did not contain this gas, MIC. So, and it shows that how like the soil still contains that the water bodies were. The complete Bhopal city was in like shock, and the hospitals were filled with people who were affected through this gas, and many like this gas affected those who were like small in height, such as children and oldies who were close to the ground, because this gas is 2 times heavier than the normal air, and like also even plants were destroyed completely, and this just happened because of the there were no safety measures. There were malfunctioning of safety measures, and the factory was about to close when this happened. The people discovered a minor leakage, but for 40 minutes they
How
did
many
not.
left? Two. Okay, बेटे, thank you so much.
Thank you
हाँ
so
बेटे, next है कोई? अद्विका कौन है?
Thank you. You were really impressive. Our next participant is Advika Shetty from Delhi Public School, Mangalore.
I would request the judges to ask questions. I would request Shashank sir to move ahead with the question answer round with Advika Shetty. I guess there is some connectivity issue, so I think Manoj sir can continue with the question answer round. And one thing
Okay.
I would like to add is that the meeting will end in 5 minutes. So you will be sent another link through which you have to join. Manoj sir, now you can begin with the question answer round with Advika.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good
I'm
morning, bete.
Advika
How are you?
MRT and
हाँ
Manila.
बेटे.
I'm good, sir.
Okay. Please tell me about your project.
So my model is basically about generation of electricity from water. So mainly this is used widely around the country and as well as Karnataka in here. And as you can see, I have made a model of three mountains in here to show that the waterfall in between the mountains, and you can see a turbine over here, which is connected to the DC motor where the electricity is generated and later on connected to the powerhouse. So what is one of the important thing over here is I have also installed a power button in case of any disaster like hurricane or flood of that button, which stops the entire transmission. It doesn't stop the process in the powerhouse or in the turbine or the generator. The process just takes place. The only thing is the transmission to the industries or the home or anything that completely stops to be safer to be on the safer side. And yeah, that is what my model exactly shows.
Okay. So which type of energy is converted into electric energy?
The water energy is transferred, or it is nextly converted into electric energy.
But there is no water type of energy.
I would say, I'm sorry, sir, I look deep into it.
Water has the kinetic energy as well as the potential energy. अगर वो मोशन में है तो उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी, और उसी वाटर को अगर आप किसी हाइट से इंसिडेंट कराएं, दैट हैज द सम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये जो आपने मेथड बताया है जनरेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, इसको किस कंट्री में सबसे ज्यादा यूज किया जाता है? Which country is using more this type of conversion of electricity?
China, sir. China.
Why not India?
It is also in India, sir. There are almost 174 hydrological powers used in here as well, but mostly it is used in China after Brazil.
Okay. So this type of conversion of electricity will produce any type of environmental damage or not?
Hello, Doctor. Am I audible?
हाँ, yeah, definitely, Doctor. Please proceed. आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम.
Okay, sorry for.
बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. कोई बात नहीं.
Please introduce something, sir, related this topic.
हाँ, ये.
Okay, sir.
हेलो. हाँ बेटे, सर को बताओ एक बार और एडविका.
Okay, sir. So my model basically shows the generation of electricity through water. So as you can see, I've made mountains in here, and I have a pipeline connected which shows the waterfall and connected to the motor, where the electricity is generated and later on connected to the powerhouse. So one of the important and thing is over here is I have a power button over here. In case of any disaster.
Okay,
like
Advika.
flood,
Okay, Advika, fine, very nice. Could you please
Okay.
tell me what are the limitations of the energy that can be obtained from hydroelectric power plant?
I'm very sorry, sir. I'll look more deep into it. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, okay. Can we consider it as a non-renewable energy resources?
It is renewable, sir, because we have rain coming every single year, so we have a lot of rain coming in, so it is renewable.
So is it pollution free or not?
It is pollution free, so that is one of the important things of this model. It is pollution free. We have